Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video of Tech and Some BT. In this video, I will unbox Redmi K Pad and share basic information of this smart tab. The Redmi K Pad said to feature an 8.8-inch IPS LCD screen delivering a 3K resolution of 2880 and 1800 pixel. It will offer a 165 Hz refresh rate and a 16:10 aspect ratio, making it ideal for impressive gaming and multimedia experience. Measuring just 6.4mm in thickness and weighing around 326 grams, it promised to be a sleek yet powerful tablet. At its core, the device will run on MediaTek latest Dimensity 9400 plus chipset. The battery capacity stands at 7500 mAh, paired with 67-watt fast charging support. The tablet will come in 3 shades such as purple, green, and black. Viewers, that's all about Redmi K Pad. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.